Hey there, fam. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you all. Have you ever wondered how you can make some serious cash online? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you. ChatGPT. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? It's an incredible AI-powered chatbot that can help you make money online, up to $200 a day. And trust me, I've been using it for over 10 years now, so I know what I'm talking about. First things first, head over to the ChatGPT website and create your account. It's super easy and free to sign up. Once you're in, you'll see a user-friendly interface where you can start chatting with the AI. Now, here's where the magic happens. You can have conversations with ChatGPT about any topic you want. But here's the secret sauce. Focus on topics that people are willing to pay for information on. Think about personal finance, fitness, or even gaming strategies. Once you've found your niche, start creating content around it. You can record videos for TikTok, Instagram, or even YouTube, whichever platform suits your style best. Share valuable tips and insights related to your chosen topic while incorporating ChatGPT into your content. But wait, there's more. ChatGPT has a monetization feature called ChatGPT Marketplace. It's a platform where you can sell your expertise directly to people who need it. You can offer personalized advice, consultations, or even digital products like books or courses. So not only can you make money from your content, but you can also earn extra by providing one-on-one services through the marketplace. It's like having your own virtual business. And that's it, guys. With Chat, you have the power to turn your passion into profit. Remember, consistency is key and always stay engaged with your audience. So go ahead, sign up for ChatGPT. Let's start making that online money. Thanks for watching, fam. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Catch you in the next video. Keep hustling and stay awesome.